All right, so if we're looking at this one right here, one thing we can do is go ahead and look at angle 1 and angle 2. The problem tells us that they're equal in measure, so we're going to mark that. We can also see that angle 1 and 155 form a straight line, and that's equal to 180 degrees. We can subtract 155 from both sides to go ahead and solve for the missing angle here. So angle 1 is equal to 25 degrees. We're going to use this in the next question. Remember from the last question, we found that angle 1 was equal to 25 degrees. And if angle 1 and 2 are equal, then that means that angle 2 is also equal to 25 degrees. So since angle 1 equals angle 2, we know that 25 is 25, so angle 2 is also 25 degrees. For this triangle, we can see that we have this exterior angle 120 and the interior angle 60, and we want to find A. I know that 120 makes a straight line with this little angle I'm going to call M, and that adds up to 180 degrees. I can take 180 out of that, so 120 minus 180, and get 60 for this little angle right here, for angle M, and I can label that. Now I need to find angle A, and I know that a triangle has 180 degrees, so I have angle A plus 60, my base angle equals 180. I have now angle A plus 120 equals 180, and if I subtract 120 from both sides, I get that angle A is 60 degrees. Looking at this triangle, they want me to find angle WZX, that's our exterior angle, and I have both remote interior angles here. So I'm finding this angle that I marked here, and one thing I know about exterior angles is that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180. All three of the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to plug in the values. I know X is 54, I know Y is 48, and I'm not sure what Z is. I know they add to 180, so I'm going to simplify. 54 and 48 is 102, plus angle Z is 180. So again, if I'm simplifying these two, I have 102 plus Z is 180. I'm going to subtract 102 on both sides and get that Z equals 78 degrees. So for my final step, I can see that 78 and that angle that I'm trying to find make up 180. So if I do 180 subtract 78, I'm going to be able to get my angle. So 180 equals WZX minus 78 is 102. So angle WZX is 102 degrees here. All right, the next thing I'm going to look at is these exterior angles are 125 degrees. So I'm going to draw this triangle here. I have 125 on the exterior, and I have 65 at the top. So I have 180 equals x plus 125. I subtracted that and got that x is 55. Now I know that A, B, and C, the angles of the triangle, equal 180. So I'm going to add those up, substitute in, and subtract so that I can solve. Once I simplify,